Hi everyone, in this video we're looking at sketching linear functions. So we're going to actually do that using by identifying, just by sketching. So we're going to look at some key features or determine the features of a linear function and go from there. So what we're actually going to do first is sketch them from a table of values. So linear relationships generally have two variables here, x and y, and their relationship can be represented by a straight line. So that's what you see here on a graph. That could be like the temperature of something and the amount of ice cream sold, or the how many kilometers you travel and the cost of your taxi fare or Uber fare. So those things are like linear relationships, and we can use this general formula of y equals mx plus c, b or c, and later on you'll see what the significance of the m and the b in an equation. So the first thing we're actually going to do is take a linear equation like this one, which is a rule, and use it sketching table of values and then plotting those points on a Cartesian plane and then drawing the straight line. So the first thing I'm going to do is FSA the set of values that you've got here. I'm just going to make this a bit smaller. So this is your rule here. This is your y equals negative x plus 3. And you're going to substitute each one of these numbers in. Now I'm going to do the first, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. You only really need to do 2, but you can do 3 just to make sure that it is like a linear equation. So anyway, here we go. Y equals negative x plus 3. I would encourage you in this case, because there is a negative here, or in any case, make sure that you put actual brackets around the value that you're substituting in for 3, plus 3. Quick hill is, this is like essentially saying negative 1 times negative 3 gives us positive 3 plus 3, which equals 6. And you might be like, that's pretty long-winded, so this one here is 6. Now I'm going to skip that one, and I'm going to do 0, y equals negative 0 plus 3. That's going to be 0 plus 3, which equals 3. And then I'm going to do this one here. So y equals negative bracket positive 3 plus 3. This is negative 3, essentially negative 3 plus 3, which y equals 0. So I've got 3 ordered pairs. So I can actually do all of these. Sorry. There we go. Spoiler alert, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are my ordered pairs for each one of, for each x value. So essentially what I've got here is negative 3, 6, 0, 3, and 3, 0. So I have this information here, and I'm going to plot those points on a Cartesian plane. So my largest value is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 2, 3, and there's my 0. I have a negative as well. Actually, oh, sorry. I don't know, I was looking at the right ones. And then negative 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So I've got my key points that I need to plot on my graph. I'm going to take a different color pen, pink, and I'm going to go negative 3, positive 6. That one's there. Oh, it doesn't like when I do that. 0, positive 3 over here, and 3, 0. So that one's there. Now I have 3 points. Probably should use a different color. The green and the pink and red are clashing. Once I've got my 3 points, then I take a straight line and I'm going to connect them using a straight line. So I take this, and it's not going to be perfect, and I connect those 3 dots. I actually go just slightly beyond those dots as well, because you are sketching it. And I don't forget to label with your equation. So that is how you sketch a graph using a table of values. Table, FSA, so you have to do some calculations, put those values into your table. You don't have to do this step here, but it just might help so you're coordinating where you need to plot them on your graph. Draw a Cartesian plane, put them on, and don't forget to label your equation. So what you're going to do is pause the video, complete these ones here. Alternatively, you can do this on Maths Online using that worksheet page number or that lesson number. Substitute in, plot your points on the Cartesian plane, draw a straight line. Don't forget to label. All right, thank you. Stay awesome, everyone.